Hi guys, Car Explorer 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Our third one of the day, and we're going to be unboxing another new casting. It's an all-Australian vehicle over here. We have the Holden VF Commodore SSV. Which is actually the same model as the Sheriff SSV that we've seen before. In America. Now, yes, Holden is an Australian brand. And around here, though, we don't really see that many Holdens. And typically, there are imported vehicles. That's on there. Now, you see there, this one is a car. And for the Australian Highway Patrol. Something else, right? Well, today. Yeah, I'll let you guys know on that one, though. But let's continue on. Turn to unbox it, so here we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, got that Holden out of there. So let's go get a closer look at this one. We're going to start with the front. With some nice details with the headlights. And the Holden badge. Turn signals. Even the turn signals too. That's very nice. And take a look at this. It's even had an Australian license plate in the front. Never seen that before. Now let's go outside. A lot of delivery on this one. It is an Australian car. Now you see here, it's on the right side, which is right-hand drive. Now it's hard to see. Well, there's that part right there. The Sheriff, I do have that. Too. Now the rear. The only details I have is the taillights. Nothing else. But I do know some quad tips. The Sheriff also have that too. Well, that's interesting. What do you guys think? On to this one. So let me know in those comments below. See you in the next one, you guys. Bye bye.